I don't see it. Trying to go where flashfire is.
Sounds like it's moving.
Who's back there?
Sounds like it's closer.
I've never heard that noise before.
Stop. Oh no, dude.
I don't know what kind of creature that is.
I don't see it. Either. That's
what is it?
not no frog.
Oh, there is eyes. Look at
Where?
right there. Look at. See my flashlight? There's eyes.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I don't see it.
Right straight ahead.
Straight.
See the eyeballs?
You guys see the eyes? Some kind of
Watch. See?
creature.
Yeah.
Something over there.
What is that creature though?
Look at.
Something just move?
Look at that thing. What is that?
I don't know.
Wait, where is it even at?
Can't really see it either.
It's in the corner of the house.
Where? I don't see it.
Me either.
It sounds like it's right there and right there.
I see the eyeballs. You see the eyeballs on
So-
the video or no?
No.
No, it's too dark.
Sounds like it's in the bushes.
But I see the bush. Those eyeballs are not in the bushes. Look at it. What is it?
I don't know.
Where?
I don't even see it. Yo. I never heard that noise before.
I don't see it either.
I don't know where the eyeballs.
And I don't know where that noise. Never heard that noise before.
I don't know where it's coming from either. It sounds like it's coming from right there, the
There's the
bushes.
eyeballs. See the eyeballs again?
No.
It's definitely in the water. You just heard that. It sounded like it was in the water.
You can't see because of all that grass. I don't know where it is.
There's the eyeballs. I see them.
Flash?
No.
Corner of the house. See those things glowing?
No.
It's at the corner of the house.
Oh wait, I see it now.
Yeah.
But what is it?
I don't know.
It's not. I know it's not a frog.
Doesn't sound like any frog.
No. That's some,
Frogs do not make that noise.
that's some kind of animal.
Don't know what kind of animals make that noise.
The eyeballs is some kind of animal. Look at it.
I don't think it's an animal.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
They getting bit?
No.
Never heard an animal that makes that noise. No wonder the people moved out.
Do they even live there?
Yeah, no wonder they moved out.
What is that? The eyeballs. It's moving around a lot.
Yeah, I don't see it though. Sounds like it's getting closer. And then farther and then closer.
Thing in the corner.
Oh my god. It stopped. Oh no, it didn't. Where is it?
Alright. I'm gonna get a little creep up. You ready to go in?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry you get creeped out by this.
Alright, so I'm gonna end it here, guys. I don't know what that noise was. I don't know if that's a creature or something. I'm not sure. You guys probably could figure it out. Bye.